build something new from out of scratch. We use Cable Pro D to route the cables on engineering instead of route the cables when the machine is built in the factory. We win a lot of time in that workflow. I'm Reijnders. I'm a team leader electrical engineering at Case Packing Systems. We produce gravity case packing systems. So in a very short term, we pack a bag into a box. In the beginning, when I was team leader, we only used electric P8. And our first challenge was communication with our panel builders, because we don't do panel building in-house. We have a good partner for that. So we started to design our 3D layouts using Eplan Pro Panel, so that they can use our native files to directly send to their machines. When that was pretty much finished, we get all our data into the cloud. So we use eManage for sharing all the projects with the panel builders. And we, since 2021, we fully digitalized in our shop floor. So we use eView for our electrical technicians, also to get redlinings, how you call it. When there's something wrong, they adapt it in the schematics and we see it on the engineering department. And we also have an ERP solution, so we are connected to the PDM system. And the last development we took was adding Cable Pro D. The Cable Pro D, we use it now since 1 year. It's not fully committed to our daily work, but we use it for the more difficult projects. I think that is two ways. One, there was the communication with our panel builders. We always had to send our native files through a WeTransfer or an email or stuff like that. Now we upload it in the cloud and they have the same version that we have. So that's a big plus. And in eView, it was all on paper. So I think we printed out every project at least 3 times. 400 pages, and then they had a note in it. They stick a sticky note in it. The note was gone. The change was missing. Now you have everything digitalized. It's much more convenient. Now they make a change into eView. We open the project in our Eplan solution, and we immediately see the change they made. And I think a big plus is that we can see who changed it, because everybody has a private account. So on a yellow note or a sticky note, there was no name, so you can run around the shop floor and ask who did this change. And now you exactly know who did it, when they did it. Revision control is much more easier. Specific benefits for collaboration with the panel builders, we reduce the engineering time on the panel building side. So when we had a 2D environment, our panel builders, they use Pro Panel, so they redraw our 2D layout into 3D and then send it to the machines. And now they just take our files and immediately upload them. So we benefit of the in cost of the panel. We redesigned a current machine for the American market, so we made it more hygienic to customer specifications. The use of I/O blocks was also a demand of the customer, and therein we use Pro Panel for cable routing and determine the cable lengths, which before we did not have a solution for that. When you start with Eplan, don't be afraid to ask them for help. Use their consulting, use their expertise, because otherwise it's too much time consuming to start with Eplan, and if you use their knowledge, you're much more faster in the beginning and make bigger steps in the same effort.